The Fitbit Sense is the company's top-of-the-line smartwatch with more sophisticated health and wellness functions. Even if the software might need some work, Sense could be helpful for those who want to improve their mental health and take little steps toward a better lifestyle. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. You can jump into your desired section. Nevertheless, we recommend you stay tuned until the end to get a clear product orientation. Without further ado, let's get started. It features a slightly rounded 1.58-inch AMOLED display, making it seem a little different from the Versa 2. The display looks great. It is bright enough to use outside in broad daylight and has wide viewing angles. The display still has a sizable border around it. The diameter of the watch face is 1.59 inches and the thickness is 0.49 inches. The wrist circumference range that this little band may accommodate is from 5.5 inches to 7.1 inches. The big band may accommodate wrists with a diameter of 7.1 to 8.7 inches. Fitbit Sense is compatible with iOS and Android and supports step counting, sleep monitoring, calorie burning, and more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. This model was simple to use, accurate for counting steps, and good at monitoring heart rate. We observed that using more current versions of smartphones was highly straightforward to pair devices, easy to engage with, and easy to connect to the charger. In addition, the build quality is excellent. In a nutshell, the performance score is 80 out of 100. An Outlook is recommended. More than 36,000 reviews are available on Amazon, and 71% are rated 5 stars. That is impressive! Following user feedback, Sense's appealing design, 6+ days of battery life, and comprehensive health functions are the most popular aspects of the device. While on the other hand, the user's primary gripes are on the lack of Spotify storage and the shoddy side buttons. Thanks for watching! In our playlist, you'll get buying guide, the top 10 brands, and some of our recommended brand details. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.